Photo of the chain.
Yes,
Oh, yes, sir. Amele.
not 36 additional documents.
Amele. Yes, sir. Photo ನೋಡಿ decide ಮಾಡಲ ನಾನು.
But no, my lord. Stolen property is 45 grams, my lord. The full, the chain is 21 gram and it is a full new chain is being recovered. New chain is being recovered. Not from me, my lord. It is from one Mr. Manjunath. My lord, I cannot be attracted to 111.
That's a matter of evidence, sir.
Not prima facie. It's
ನಿಮ್ಮ
erroneous to charge me under 114 and 411, my lord.
ನಿಮ್ಮ argument ಆಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ?
Total 9 articles have been seized. 5 articles from his possession and 4 articles from his friend Manjunath. Manjunath also, he is the one who goes and pledges him.
ನೀವು accused number?
He is accused
3, my lord. I am the pawn broker.
Accused number 1 and 2 are the people who steals it.
Anything
and then
else?
hand it over to him.
Lord,
Anything else?
Lord, this is on discharge application. The
Discharge reject ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Lord,
Discharge
yes,
reject
my lord.
ಆಗಿದೆ.
That is not properly.
Oh, no.
The honorable trial court has properly.
Anything else, sir? ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. Yes. ಆಮೇಲೆ
it is the case, my lord. That's what this application is filed against the order on 227 application.
No problem, sir.
My lord, other what the state prosecutor is submitting that other five cases. In all 5 cases, the trial court has discharged me. This is the only case which is left. Lord, I am an art patient, my lord. Lord, I am a pawn broker.
You are not on bail.
My lord, on pawn broker.
You are not on bail. Bail ilva?
No, my lord, I was not arrested. I was not arrested.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ bail
I
ಇಲ್ಲ.
have taken anticipated bail.
Why heart patient ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
My lord, prima facie, my lord, your lordship has given number of judgments.
No, sir, I have not rendered it.
No, my lord, no, my lord.
Pawn broker.
Lord, ಈ ತರ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ರಿಕವರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ತಾವು ಹೇಳೋದು I do admit the allegations of the charge.
ರಿಕವರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Recovery, my lord, page 25, lordship is recovery ಮಾದ. The 5
ಒಂದು
records
ನಿಮಿಷ.
from his
ರಿಕವರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Page
35, my lord.
Additional documents 27. Page number 27, last para.
ಅಲ್ಲದೆ 45 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅದ?
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 45 ಗ್ರಾಮ್.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ?
Madam. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ marked it. From his possession, total 9 articles.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 5 ಸರಗಳನ್ನು ಅಮಾನತುಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು
ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್.
Anything else?
ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್. Swami, he'll complain nodi. Allah, Swami, he'll complain nodi. Wait to look at the page number 90.
Next.
Swami, Allah, ಅವ್ರು mislead ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
What Allah?
Kindly, Swami, kindly see
Even
the page number 27.
even if you had not told in a case of this nature, I will not interfere.
Correct, Swami. Optin,
Yes.
Swami, kindly see the page number 27.
No.
Swami, page number 27
No,
ನೋಡ್ರೆ.
sir.
Hello, 25 ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 27. It is not recovered at in my possession.
No, 114 is there.
I was not present. It is
No,
not the
that
case of
will
the
say-
prosecution that I was.
Your presence or absence is a matter of evidence.
No, ಅದನ್ನ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. 114
No,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
no.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Argue that, sir, in the trial. Argue that.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ.
I am not going to interfere, sir.
Kindly 27.
Yes.
Kindly
Next.
27.
Next.
Page number 27 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Kindly.
Next.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Page
No.
number 27.
Dismissed. Yes. Notice.